Hello guys, it's almost 4 a.m. and I'm very excited about my K-drama shooting coming in about 2 hours. So the drama is called Good Boy and it stars Park Bo-gum, Kim So-yoon, Ho Sung-tae, and these other actors. Kim So-yoon as the goddess of shooting, Park Bo-gum as a boxer, and Ho Sung-tae of Squid Game as a wrestler. I actually saw this scene being shot as I was one of the audience in the background. Also, I was an official doing the video monitoring review, but you will probably not see me. And since the stills for these 3 actors have been released, I guess I will see the other 3 actors.